In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stocks in TradingView from an Excel file. We'll go step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a comprehensive list of stocks effortlessly imported into your TradingView watch list, ready to track and analyze. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we'll need to prepare a TXT file. You might be starting with an Excel sheet, so all your stock symbols should be organized vertically, listed one below the other. This ensures a smooth transition into the TXT format. Once you've got your Excel list ready, you'll want to convert it into a plain text file. You can do this by copying all your stock symbols and pasting them into a simple text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. It's crucial to have one stock symbol per line. This means there should be no commas, tabs, or additional spaces, just a clean, concise list where each new line represents a different stock symbol. Once you've done that, save your file with a .txt extension, something like mystocks.txt. This TXT file will serve as the bridge between Excel and TradingView. Next, let's head over to TradingView. Open your web browser and navigate to tradingview.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. It's important to be logged in to access your personalized watch lists fully. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one, as having an account allows you to save watch lists, charts, and other settings. Now that you're on the TradingView platform, direct your attention to the right sidebar where you'll find the watch list panel. This is typically on the bottom right section of your screen. It's essentially a place where you can collect and keep track of stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, or any other financial instruments you're interested in. With your prepared TXT file and TradingView set up, it's time to import your stock symbols. Click on the name of your current watch list at the top of this panel. A drop-down menu should appear, offering you several options. Here, you want to select Import List. This option is your gateway to bring in the list you just prepared. After clicking on it, you'll see an option to Choose File. Click on it and then navigate through your file directory to select that TXT file we prepared earlier. Once you've found it, click Open or Upload, depending on your operating system. TradingView will now take a moment to import all of the stock symbols from your TXT file into your current watch list. You should see the list populate almost instantly, with each stock symbol you've included now neatly appearing under your watch list menu. And there you have it. You've now successfully added all your desired stocks from Excel into TradingView effortlessly. This method not only saves time, but also maintains accuracy, eliminating the need for manual entries. Keep watching for more tips and tricks on navigating and maximizing